Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I can smell your FOMO. What's going on, Alex? Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Good to see you guys, man. We got a big pump 72,000, 200, 389. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin flying off. We got that breakout. Little bit of a trade step yesterday. We were saying wait for the retest, right? So for me, I think I gave it here. Um, but it applies down here as well, right? So you get that fake out kind of deal thing going on, and we know we love our market cipher, and you can simply see here. Look at the beautiful money flow coming up. We got the beautiful anchor trigger wave pushing us up, consolidation sideways into the morning, and kaboom. Okay, magic, magic, magic. Internet money flying through the roof. Okay, don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. I'm watching you. I'm watching. I see you. Thank you for everybody who's new and enjoyed that new video that we put out. Hopefully it got to you guys well, just so you guys understand a little bit of how I trade and what I use to make money, baby. To make money. This is what it's all about, is making money, but also having a great community around you. So if you're not part of the community yet, join us in the free Discord, all that good stuff. Shill, 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 shill. Good morning, Mondays. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we got that weekly candle printed, and now we have another beautiful weekly candle looking like three white soldiers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's go into what I was talking about how I'm looking for the daily to posture to the upside. Okay, so we had this the VWAP coming up here. Okay, so the VWAP's coming here. We can simply see the VWAP's coming down. We're looking for that beautiful bounce. Okay, that bounce typically produces quite an aggressive move. This is the 3-day. Okay, the 3-day money flow is astronomical, looking great. It is flattening out a little bit. However, I mean, who's gonna stop this train, man? You get in front of this train, I ain't buying. All right, so beautiful, beautiful move here, and we could see the continuation. So you can see the money or the VWAPs crossing over the zero line. Typically in a bullish uptrend market, as you can see up here, we get the VWAP crossover to the downside, and this creates giant moves. Okay, and this is our first little indication of that coming its way. Okay, so we go over the daily. What do we got on the daily? The daily is suggesting that crossover. Okay, so look at the crossover. You can see how it faked us out a couple times. Now it looks like it wants to continue. Money flows in the green, looking good. And we are anticipating a green dot. Okay, anticipating means that we can front run this thing. Okay, so we can see how it's curving down. Yes, we're getting bearish divergence across the board, and that doesn't mean we can't get a correction, but the sentiment of the market is insanely bullish. The trend is to the up. Okay, so we favor longs until proven otherwise, with like a big blow off top and a big melt your face off kind of dump. Okay, and then taking out significant lows, that's going to really signify whether we get back down for a correction and get rid of all you guys FOMO. Okay, so we want to front run this green dot. Let's go into, let's say, this 12. Now the 12 is probably, yeah, over the weekend you get this kind of thing where it's red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot. And I'm about to sneeze. Wow. Okay, this is what I get for making early update videos for you guys in the morning. So you get a sneeze. I hope you guys said bless you at least. Come on. So now we can see we are posturing to the upside. This is looking good, pushing upwards here. Green dot confirmed. Okay, very nice looking. So this gives us kind of a front run for the beautiful daily here for the crossover and the green dot as well. So we can be anticipating something like that, which is very good to anticipate, right? We want to be predictive as possible. Going into the 8-hour, we can see this continuation. You could draw a trend line up here. Right now, I'm not really, not really worried about a trend line there. And then we have some key levels above us that I'm going to give to you guys in the Discord and on the live stream here. So we look for the continuation. We got that break. The 4-hour remains to march upwards, looking good. Let's see if the VWAP resets, punches up as we continue to march upwards here. Not many divergences on the 4-hour, which is a good sign of continuation. Okay, as long as we're oscillating above here, it looks like we want to see continuation with green, thick money flow. Looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Looking to flag out here and possibly continue upwards, okay? Going to the 1, the 2. Yeah, we can cool off a little bit here. That's what this is suggesting. Let's wait and see if the 1-hour gets a VWAP bounce here. This would be interesting. We got this push up, right? We want to see we're gonna typically get cooling off, but if the VWAP does bounce here, this could just go like this, right? And create a higher momentum wave, creating some sort of anchor wave. And then we can see later on the day what goes on with this, maybe something like that. We'll have to wait and see. Depending on the VWAP. Let's watch the VWAP here, reaction to the zero line. If it crosses over, that's great, because then we can anticipate the cross back over later on in the day, and that could be a bullish setup. So we'll keep our eyes peeled on that. Okay. Going over 30. We can see we got this beautiful move, guys. Beautiful move, beautiful setup. Obviously, do your own research when it comes to things like this. What would I expect? I'd expect a retest of the previous highs. Okay, why would I do that? Because that's just how I trade. So I'd expect a retest of that. So we've gotten this move. I'd expect a retest back down and then the continuation upwards. Okay. However, this could just fly off the handles. We know from previous. Okay, this is Mondays. Okay, previous Mondays, baby. They don't care. They really don't care. You got Monday here. Okay. Wee, wee. So your evidence is saying that Mondays are pretty bullish, which is something that we got to take into consideration. But yeah, in the short term, I would look for that retest, something like this. Let's get rid of this. This has been broken. So we pull a fib from swing low to swing high. Start of the move, right? Start of the move. We talked about that. Start of the move, right? And then we target. Look at that. Oh, look at that beautiful area that matches up with the highs. Okay. We can bring this up, clean it up, keep it nice. VWAP sits pretty low here, so we can know that. Look where the VWAP is, right? It wants to retest to the VWAP. Let's see if it retests it, right? We are bullish, okay, but this does look like a little bit of a retracement. 70,000, 320, 302. We're looking for that long position, baby. We're looking for that long position. If not, we flag out here. If not, we flag out here. And then we continue to march upwards. Okay, we continue to march upwards. So something like that is what I'm expecting out of today. We'll have to see. We could just fall back into this range and consolidate, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think Bitcoin has some legs in it this week. So let's make sure that we're prepared for that. We have above us 75,250. Okay. 250 price discovery, baby. We're saying 76,900. Okay. And almost 80,000. Okay. So add these to your charts as well. To the upside, I gave you guys to the downside in the Discord so that you guys are prepared. Now let's go over to the heat map as we normally do and just take a look here. Ooh, Bitcoin flying, Solana flying, Cardano flying. Well, let's get rid of Bitcoin. It takes up a lot of space. Dogecoin, Shiba, IMX, Immutable. Okay. Renders flying 17%. Okay, we have a big old bag of render. Let's go over to Solana. Solana's coming up to this key level of resistance. 154 is the level that we had. Okay, you can see beautiful consolidation, break to the upside as well. Okay, so look for a rejection. We have that key level right up here. I'm going to have to do some more price discovery on Solana. I'll get you guys some more levels. Maybe we'll do that this evening. And if you're enjoying this morning content, don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe drop a comment down below. It helps the channel immensely. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means the world to me that you guys choose to hang out with me, So let's go over to render. Okay, we were buying $4 render, looking like a little bit of a double top here. So let's see if we do, a bit of a bear div, cool off, continuation upwards for render. I know you ADA gang out there. We're waiting for a big pop off on ADA. ADA's just, for me, ADA's just coiling up, man. It's coiling up. You can see the beautiful coiling up here, right? As it coils, right? ADA then eventually just skyrockets. Okay, so we're looking for a big move from ADA. Link got an amazing move. Retested the $20.64 level. We came up to this key resistance here that we had marked out. Look at that 22.77 level we had marked out. We can't rate that, man. That's pretty gangster. And then Ethereum. Now I think Ethereum's the sleeper, guys. We're at 40,000 or 4,040. And it continues to march, right? We gave this trend line setup yesterday in the Discord as well. We're like, okay, we're looking for a bounce off this area. We got a little bit lower, okay? It wasn't perfect, but we did continue to bounce up here. Now we are hitting key level resistance, 4040, and our next one is 4,215, okay? So I hope this gets to you guys. Well, let's watch the S&P and the Dixie as well today and see how they react overall. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.